you tripping about? See what I'm feeling is doubt. It used to be a dream, now I'm living it out. But we still in the drought, huh? It's kinda crazy how that works. At 16, I got hacked like a password. I'm a product of my past, now that hurts. I'm the real fucking deal, you an actor. Last year I lost my uncle to cancer. So this year I don't fuck with you rappers. The worst part is I just started smoking. It's fucked up, y'all think that I'm joking. That's the reason that he lost his life. I did not think twice, it does not feel right. What can I say? I'm a sick individual. Drinking all the time, now it feels like a ritual. It started out small, it was minuscule. I've been doing this shit since middle school. They asking me questions in interviews. They wanna know what I did and I didn't do. I smoke too much, I drink too much. I feel like I'm gonna die. I'm anxious, bruh, it's way too much. I think I lost my mind. Once again, I'm on the edge and I just keep on looking down. If I jumped and hit rock bottom, would it even make a sound? I smoke too much, I drink too much. I feel like I'm gonna die. I'm anxious, bruh, it's way too much. I think I lost my mind. Once again, I'm on the edge and I just keep on looking down. If I jumped and hit rock bottom, would it even make a sound? They all love the sound too much. Sleeping I live in month for month. Don't change up, I'ma die soon. Give my mother money from the iTunes. Stepping on shells in my nice shoes. Don't wanna load it up cause I might shoot. I hang around once and first I need to start catching rides when he's sunken shit. Be the fun, but I'm out with the assumption is last year I was sad as shit, but I was rich. Now I'm clean and sober, man. I came so far from leaning over. Ex-friends talking about how Stevie over, but they need to order. They don't even know me. Picking up a bag with no logo. I'll be damned if he stands inside. I see more, but it's better that you don't know. But if I when he can't outside. Last year I had 4 different condos. Get built before I can have 5. That's why every day we can give thanks and I'm humble. If I don't, I might die. I wake up every morning still exhausted. Cigarette butts on the carpet. I've been fed up with this nonsense, yeah. There's still a couple demons in my closet. When I see them, just the feeling makes me nauseous. I can't stop it. I smoke too much, I drink too much. I feel like I'm gonna die. I'm anxious, bruh, it's way too much. I think I lost my mind. Once again, I'm on the edge and I just keep on looking down. If I jumped and hit rock